I really don't know how to thank you.
ये पाव संभल में सर इधर ही करते हैं।
ये तुम लोग ऐसे कैसे करोगे यार? अंदर आगे यार, मत करो ऐसे यार, थोड़ा साइड दे दो।
ये पीछे चलो, ये पाव संभल में
अरे थोड़ा हट जाओ।
अरे क्या यार, क्या है?
क्या कर रहे हैं यार? क्या कर रहे हैं?
How are you?
Such an honor to have you. Thank you.
You after how long? Hey, your actress is also
Yes, Zunair sir. Yes.
Salim,
and your director.
Salim,
Yeah, they're all here.
Salim,
So,
I'm seeing you after how long?
so we met last in 2007
Salim!
at the,
2007.
and then that was the first time we met at the
yeah.
Pogo
Salim!
Music Kids Awards.
Yeah.
And then we met at Weekly Live Music Lounge.
Thank you so much for coming. So kind.
Zoya,
We came out, but it was just.
पीछे पीछे
Yeah, really nice.
खुद ही हुआ हैरान रे, आंखों में जो उतरा तेरा चेहरा रे, मरकज दिल का अब तो ही है हुआ, तेरे नाम ही है सब किनारे, कोरिए सुन कोरिए जरा बता दे, कोरिए मेरी कोरिए ये क्या हुआ रे, हाय कोरिए।
Thank you so much.
Superb, very good. This song has so much terror and it feels so calm and peaceful.
Especially for this weather.
Yeah, it's just perfect for this weather, but just generally also, you know, when you switch on, yeah, the current playlists that are running, you only hear dik ching, and this is such a clutter-breaking song. Beautiful.
Thank you, sir. I'd just like to get my team on stage if you don't mind, sir.
Of course, yeah, I'd love to meet them. Yeah.
And we just take a quick picture. Ria Sood, she's the choreographer of the video. We've designed all the moments and everything beforehand. Priya Sharma, she's the stylist of the video. Please come, Priya. Alright, before I forget. Yes, I do. Aftab sir is here, Mr. Aftab Khan. He's mixed and mastered the song. He's a sound engineer.
I see.
I've
Wonderful.
learned everything that I have about sound is mostly through him. I've assisted him for the longest time. The fact that he's mixing all my songs, I'm glad to have him as always.
Congratulations.
From Merchant Records, he handles everything and anything at the label and has always been a big part of our team. And okay, who else? Okay, the hair and makeup team, are they here? Okay, anyway, no worries. Yes, Ritesh ji, please come on stage. Ritesh Srivastav, he is our media and PR consultant, always part of all our events. I hope I have covered everyone. All my lovely friends who are here for the screening, Sukriti, Prakriti, amazing, talented artists, and a very close friend, Urumin is here. Thank you everyone for coming. We'll just like to take a quick picture with you, sir.
Yeah, let's do that.
We'll do a team picture.
one sec. I wanted to, as a habit, I wanted to ask a question to Amir. बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि मैंने एक मैसेज किया आमिर सर को और he immediately said I'll call you at 5 o'clock and I told him that ऐसा सब है तो इसका जवाब देना बहुत ज़रूरी है लोगों को.
नहीं, एक तो we have a long relationship, Ashok, and you know we've been together since college.
Yeah.
So of course I'll always be there for you, but especially this time, you know, when Ashok called me and said it's for my son, so I said done. And then he was wondering why इतना जल्दी कैसे हो गया. I said I've just been through that myself as a father. जुनैद की फिल्म महाराज लगी तो मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस था कि लोगों को उसका काम पसंद आएगा नहीं आएगा, you know. So how probably you're feeling right now, you know, as he's taking his first steps. Just a couple of months back, or 1 month back, I was in that situation. So I completely understand that feeling, and I'm here to support your son and you, Ashok. And and it's an emotion that I immediately connected to. I said, हाँ यार, मैं समझ सकता हूँ तेरी हालत इस वक्त क्या है. तो मैं रहूँगा.
Actually, every single parent understands.
Every yeah, you know, for our children, you know, we are always worried that, you know, they should be accepted, and I'm so happy to know that, you know, actually Junaid has worked really hard for himself, and he's never accepted any help from me in any way ever. So I'm very proud and happy that he's made it on his own terms in his own way, and you know, and I can see that Raj is doing the same thing. He's been talented since the age of 13, so it's, you know, it's time to take your first step, and you have. It's really wonderful.
So Junaid's playback voice has to be only Raj.
No, I told Ashok and Raj that also, that jo film hai, you know, Junaid is doing a couple of films, so I'm going to request the composers to try out, you know, Raj's voice. It'll be a great fit, I hope. Yeah. Come, let's take a photograph. I think we should make two. I'll come in front. मैं नीचे बैठता हूँ तो 2 लेवल हो जाएंगे. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बेस्ट आइडिया.
अरे डांटो मत, तुम्हारा ही आदमी है यार.
Thank you guys, thank you so much. अच्छा हाँ, आप लोग के लिए हाँ. Thank you. All the best. All the very best.
सर लोग इधर सर लोग सेंटर अशोक सर साथ में.
My mother, Neerja Pandit. I've learned all my music comes from her.
Oh, she also sings?
She's a Kashmiri folk singer.
Oh, wow.
तो उनका influence बहुत ज़्यादा है इस मेरे पे और इस गाने पे भी. She's the female part that you hear the voice. That's her. I got her to bless the song with her voice. Is Pratiksha here by any chance? No, she's not. Okay, anyway. That's my mom. Okay, yes. Tushar's team, the editors Alec and Rakshit, please come. Ashton, he is the associate cinematographer. They're all part of Tushar's team.
Who's done the production design? Amir's question.
Production design is this very talented gentleman, Surjit Rana.
I've noticed you'll use it Kashmiri carpets and all at the back.
Yes.
अच्छा. नहीं बड़ा खूबसूरत लग रहा था. It's looking very beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
अच्छा, तो सुन मतलब I should contact you for carpets. You're the expert on Kashmiri carpets.
And from Ashok Pandit Productions, Rajveer Ahuja, who is the associate producer of the video, and Priyanka Ghatak, she is the creative producer. And every time I come up with an idea, and Tushar and I go to the office, we're like, okay, we have this idea, how do we make it happen? And they make it happen.
Come guys.
From